What's up, my people? Hope you're fine, guys, wherever you're watching me from, guys. You know, it's a very long time, guys, without seeing new things, guys. So, it's not that I'm dormant in my work, but the climate is not compromising, guys. It's not good. It has been raining for long, guys. That's why I have quitted for some times, guys. But now I'm back, guys. But today I'm not going to take a bath because the temperature is very low, guys. You know, it's very cold and the rain it's expected soon. Guys. But I'm very happy, guys, to talk to you again, guys, so that to give you some updates, guys, to my channel, guys. Just if you are watching this channel and you have not subscribed the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe the channel, guys, so that to support me, guys. Keep tuned to my channel, guys. Show some love, show some love to my channel so that cling the channel. So guys, today I'm walking around the river road. That today I've missed this place for long, guys. I have missed this place. You know, so so long time without coming here, guys, to take a bait. But you can see the water is very dirty. You know, that's why. That's why. That's why I have been dormant for long. But by tomorrow, guys. Today is on Saturday, but tomorrow on Sunday, I'll do something better to you guys. So keep tuned to my channel. Yeah, that's good. That's good, guys. As you can hear, the rain it is expected soon to rain soon, guys. Peace Africa again. Remember to subscribe the channel, guys, and you know, subscribe the channel and like the video, guys, so that cool. And also watch the videos. The videos are very nice, guys. You know. Yeah, guys. Kindly, it's Valentine Day, so if you want to show me some love, fanyaje. Kindly, if you want to show me some love, guys, send me a gift for Valentine, guys. Just show love to me, guys. Yeah. Hey, just send something, surprise me. So, guys, surprise me, guys, so that I'll be I'll be happy always. Hmm? Happy always, guys. Yeah. Keep tuned to my channel. Keep tuned to my channel, guys, so that to be updated. To be updated, guys. So yeah, keep tuned to my channel so to be updated with my contents available again. But I've cooled down. I've been dormant for long, guys. It's because the temperature is not compromising, guys. So that's the reason, guys. You know, that's the reason I have been chilled, guys. So here I am in a forest, just like a forest which has been cleaned. There's some cleanness being which has been taken there. Guys. You see? Yeah, guys. As you can hear, the thunderstorm. The thunderstorm is giving us a warning that the rain is coming soon. It's about to rain, guys. Yeah, guys. Today I'm alone. I'm not with the Babatash. Babatash has been busy for long, guys. That's the reason. But I'll continue. We continue with my work always, guys. It was an introduction with Babatash into YouTube, guys. But now has been left me behind, so that to continue with the work. I hope the work has been good. Seems to be good, guys. Not seems to be good. It's good, guys. Hmm? I hope you enjoy my content. Hope you enjoy my videos, guys. So subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, guys. Then yeah, things will be okay, guys. Yeah, guys. So this is a bushy place. I'm in a bushy place where it is being slashed. Being slashed so that it look clean. Remember, it is a riverside, guys. Yeah, I'm on a riverside, so that's the situation of the riverside, guys. Yeah, guys. Temperature is very low, so today I can't take a shower because the temperature is very low, guys. So I'll not be able to take a shower. Not be able to take a shower. Even now, you can see it's very cold. Remember, today is Valentine's Day. I'm celebrating my Valentine Day in this place. You never know, guys. But I have a reason why I'm celebrating in the riverside. My Valentine, guys. Never know, but I have a reason. Me alone, guys. So let me take a walk on the riverside, guys, so that to explore, to explore. No, guys, I like exploring. I like exploring. Like I'm exploring. Guys, support me. I like exploring, walking, taking a walk, guys. Different places. Support me to continue with my work as an explorer. You know.